Good morning, madam.
Good morning. See.
Thank you. Madam, I will come to admit my son grade 1. I will brought all the required document.
What's the child full name?
My son is Shivakumaran.
Mm, Sorry, we cannot to take him our school.
What? But why? We are living in this area, no? And my child is by his age.
Yes, but we have already Tamil children.
Are you
in
saying
school.
my child can't attend this school because it's a Tamil?
Not is personally, it's policy. I hope to understand you.
No, I don't understand. It's a discrimination. My child also has a right to education as any other child. You're violating my child rights, madam.
I don't care about.
Hello, sister.
Hello. Yes, tell.
The principal said they can't take our son to school. What now? What to do?
Oh, really? Let's see what we can do that situation.
Is it okay, ma'am?
You can't enter inside. You go
But
outside.
why?
You can't come.
I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
You can't come. Go outside. Then you can. You go outside. Hello, police station. Yes, sir. One person come into the hotel without the permission. Can you come and arrest him? Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay.
I'm a policeman. Who are the person?
He's the person.
I'm a policeman. I want to arrest you. Stand up.
No, no,
Stand
no,
up.
no,
Stand up.
no.
Stand up.
Good morning. Take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
We have one issue, sir.
Right. So, how I can help you for that?
Sir, recently I saw some unexpected situation in our society. So, sir, last Monday I saw in a high-class public hotel a lower caste people didn't try to enter that hotel, but that hotel management didn't allow him. So after that, the hotel management called the police, and the police came. That person was arrested without warrant or any clarification.
Actually, in your situation, the fundamental rights are violated. In Sri Lankan Constitution, chapter number 3 deals with the fundamental rights in Sri Lankan citizens. Right? In your situation, actually, the Article 13.1, the arbitrary arrest. So, no one can arrest you without any warrant or any reasonable reason. So, actually, it's a fundamental right violation. You can go to your court and you can take action for that.
Also, sir, I have some another issue. My uncle's daughter's school application was rejected because he was a Catholic boy.
Actually, in this situation also your fundamental rights are violated, because the reason is in chapter number 3 article 12.2 deals with the no citizen shall be discriminated against on the grounds of race, religion, language, caste, sex, political opinion, place of birth, or any one such of these grounds. So actually in also there's an equal treatment. Actually in this situation also you can go before a court and you can claim it, you can take action for that.
In which court, sir?
Actually if there are any fundamental rights violation, you can go before the Supreme Court and you can file a petition.
How we can do that, sir?
Yes, is there any fundamental rights violation, within 30 days you can file a petition. You can represent yourself or you can get a support from attorney at law, right? So but the thing is you have to take actions within 30 days. That's the main thing, right? After the Supreme Court investigations, then they will give the judgment. Within 2 months, they will give the judgment. So you can file a petition. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Ashani. Sit.
What you are discussing now?
We are discussing about fundamental rights of Sri Lanka. Did you know about the fundamental rights?
No, I actually didn't know about the fundamental rights.
In Sri Lankan constitution, chapter number 3 deals with the fundamental rights of Sri Lanka. So today we will discuss about the fundamental rights. I think it's good for that.
Article 10 talk about freedom of thought and religion. Article 10 protect your inner freedom. It says that everyone has the right to think freely and to believe in any religion. You can follow your own religion, change your religion, or even choose not to follow any religion. No one has the right to force you to believe something, and no law can take this right away. This means you are free to be Buddhist or Hindu or Muslim, Christian, or follow any belief. You can worship, pray, or live according to your faith without fear.
Article 11 include freedom of thought. It says no one can hurt you and treat badly.
Article 12 right to equality. Article 12 says that all people are equal in front of the law. It means that no one should be treated fairly just because of their religion, race, language, caste, gender, political views, or place of birth. Everyone must be treated the same in public places, jobs, education, and by the government. This article also always allows special support for women, children, and people with disabilities. But it does not allow unfair treatment of others. This means you should not be stopped from going into a shop or school, temple or hotel because of your religion or dress. All Sri Lankans should be treated fairly and with equal respect.
Article 13 include freedom from arbitrary arrest, detention, punishment and retrospective criminal laws. It says you can be arrested only if allowed by law and you must be told when. You must see a judge soon after arrest. You have the right to fair trial and lawyer. You can get jail or death sentence only by a court. You are innocent until proven guilty.
Article 14 Basic Freedom of Citizen. Article 14 gives many important freedom to every citizen of Sri Lanka. These freedoms help us to live freely, express ourselves and follow our culture. Every person has the right to speak freely, write and publish their ideas and meet peacefully with other citizens. Can form or join any group or trade union, follow any religion, speak their own language and enjoy their culture. People also have the right to choose any legal job or business, move or live anywhere in Sri Lanka, and return to Sri Lankan if they are living abroad. These rights are protected by law and are very important for building a free, fair and democratic country. They help to people live without fear and enjoy their life with respect and dignity.
Today I learned exactly what are the fundamental rights are. As you say, it's great that fundamental rights are recognized in the Constitution themselves, isn't it?
Yes, Ashani. Anjali said the fundamental rights are mentioned in section 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of chapter 3.
Hashini, chapter 3 of our constitution also stated the limit on fundamental rights.
That's right. These rights are not always free, but sometimes a limit of them. Do you know why?
Yes, the constitution says Article 15 that our right can be limited to protect other people and keep the country safe.
I give some example. Do you know we have a freedom to speech, no? But if someone use bad words to hurt someone and create problems between races, that freedom can be stopped.
Yes, that is in Article 15, Subarticle 2. It says freedom of speech can be limited to protect national security, public order and racial harmony.
And also we have a freedom to gather and protest. But if the protests are become violated, the police can stop it. And that's also allowed by the Constitution.
True, the law protects the peace of the society. Even freedom of religion can be limited if someone uses religion to create hate or disturb peace.
During the emergency situation like war and big health problems, the government can limit more rights under Article 15, subsection 7.
That's why we say rights are not 100% free. They come with responsibility.
Yes, the rights must not harm others and break the law.
So we must use our right wisely and respect other rights too.
Well, Kavinder, rights and rules must go together to build a peaceful society.
Article 16 include exciting laws still apply. It says all still apply even if they conflict with these rights, and courts can still punish under valid laws. Article 17 include complaint about violation of rights. If a government officers violate your rights, then you can complain to Supreme Court.
That's truth, Anjali. The last day, the lawyer said if someone fundamental rights are violated, they can file a petition to the Supreme Court in himself or by attorney at law.
Did you have any experience about violating of fundamental rights?
Yes, Anjali. Last year I went to Daladamariga. I was wearing my shawl, but they didn't allow to inside because of my shawl. That is religion identity, no?
And also, Anjali, I was uploaded some post about government in my social media account, but it was banned.
Now I tell you some explain people's rights to air not respect in Sri Lanka. First case Sunil Abesekar versus Ruba Singha 2000. The government tried to stop a film that shows political problems, but the court said the filmmaker has the right to speech and expression freedom. This protected by Article 14 subsection 1A.
Now I will explain another case. It's Mr. Vimal Fernando versus police. In this case, Miss Vimal Fernando was arrested without any reason, and they kept to police station in many days and even tortured. And they did not take to him in court. So it's broke our constitution with Article 11, Article 13.1 and Article 13.3. So the Supreme Court tell his rights was violated and gave to compensation.
And also Joseph versus Attorney General 1992. Some people did peaceful protest, but the police stopped them. The court said people have the right to peaceful assembly under Article 14 subsection 1B.
Final case is Sirisena Kore versus Janaka Pereira in 1994. Mr. Kore is a politician. He was arrested under emergency law, but they carried legal steps were not followed. This also broke Article 13.1 and 32. So the court said his arrest was not legal.
So you have different experience.
Okay, now we had the fruitful discussion about the fundamental rights. Okay, now we will discuss about some suggestions. Firstly, we can expand the list of fundamental rights. So first thing is we can include the socio-economic rights such as the right of healthcare, right of education, right to clean environment. We can include these socio-economic rights too in our chapter. And also mainly today we are dealing with technological tools, it's mainly AI. So now it's very essential thing to include the digital rights, mainly focusing on the privacy of personal data, access the internet, freedom of algorithmic discrimination. So it's very essential to add the digital rights to the constitution.
Improve public awareness. We have to start fundamental rights lesson in school because children, they are the future in this country. And also we have to run awareness programs, campaigns in any language, Sinhala, Tamil or English, and give some handbooks, make posters, make movies about fundamental rights violations. And also work with media because media in television, radio and social media, these things are now available in all the people. So use this media to improve their knowledge about fundamental rights. What are the fundamental rights, how they can be violated, and also what are the solutions can we take.
And also we can strengthen the judicial independence in fundamental right cases. Mainly in Sri Lanka, fundamental rights are violated mainly the politicians and also the public officials, right? So in these situations there's a political influence in these courts. So create a separate constitutional court or allocate a separate bench for fundamental rights cases. It directly affect to, we can go for efficient judgments, then it create the speed and also we can get the expertise ideas.
Improve enforceability. In Sri Lanka, Supreme Court only heard the fundamental rights violation cases, but we have to allow fundamental rights cases to be filed in lower courts, especially in high courts. And also, in Sri Lanka, only have 1 month to file the fundamental rights cases, but we have to give at least 3 months to file the case, and also provide legal aid, mainly free lawyers, free legal advices for poor people.
Finally, we can incorporate with international standards. Mainly in the Sri Lankan constitution can give the recognition to the international human rights, mainly ICCPR. Likewise, we can give the legal recognition to our constitution. So in these situations, people can use these rights directly in their courts. So if we give these type of solutions to the peoples, they can protect their fundamental rights in the country.
Thank you for your valuable discussion about the fundamental rights.